Hello and welcome to the video. So this is going to be a quick little one because I ran into the issue. I'm trying to retrofit my new sport seats here in saddle brown in my F32, but I had to change out the seat mat that's inside the seat here, but I wanted to get this one off, and the BMW manual does not show it correct, and I couldn't find it anywhere online, and I finally got it off on the other seat. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it, so if other of you guys got the same problem, it will be a bit faster, because I spent like 2 hours fiddling with this before I got it perfectly done before. So I'm just gonna flip this over and we're gonna have a look at it. Okay, as you can see now, I've flipped the seat over, and here we have the seat mat, the thigh extender, and the pictures that BMW show you is one made of metal, but I think it was replaced in the recent models from 2015 and up, and now it's this plastic version. And on the metal version, there's a tab down here that you have to press in to release it when it's fully extended, but on this one there's not. And I have the other one here, as you can see from the other seat, and let me hold it up here so you can see it better. There's some tabs on each side, you can see them there. These ones, you have to push them in, and those are the end caps that hold this thigh bolster in. Just an F-16 jet fighter passing by, but yeah, pretty straightforward here. So if we look here, pull it out to the max, then there's down here some holes. Let me get my phone and some light so you can see. Okay, see down there, there's 2 holes on either side. You put a screwdriver through, push in. You can take one side at a time, and then you can simply just lift it up. So you lift it up with the cover on, and I'll show you here that there's nothing holding this in. So it is pretty straightforward. The piece of leather that holds this together, there's a little piece, it slides in this groove down there. So once this is pulled off, you simply just lift it over here, and you can just slide it off to the side. And then, yeah, installation is the same. So just a little quick video for you guys struggling with this same issue. So I'm gonna put a video up later here in the coming days once this all is fitted to my car. Need to do some wiring for the ambient lighting and stuff like that that my car currently doesn't have, but I'll get it working. So thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye bye.